In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fit on Wix. If your photo looks cropped, stretched, or a little off, don't worry. I'll walk you through simple ways to get it looking clean and professional inside the Wix editor. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site in the editor. From your dashboard, choose Edit Site to load the canvas where you can work with your pages and media. Once the editor is open, click directly on the image you want to fix so its controls appear. For a quick fix, resize the image manually. With the image selected, you'll see small handles at the corners and sides. Drag the corners to adjust both width and height at the same time. Hold the Shift key while you drag to keep the original proportions so the picture doesn't look squished or stretched. If you need a very precise adjustment, make small movements and let the smart guides help you align the image with nearby elements. Avoid pulling it far beyond its original size, because that can cause blurriness on larger screens. If part of your image is getting cut off or you want to hide a distracting edge, use the built-in crop tool. Click the image, choose crop, and a frame will appear. Move and resize that frame until the important content sits comfortably inside the visible area. When it feels right, click apply. Cropping trims what you don't need without distorting the remaining pixels, which is a clean way to refine composition while keeping the subject sharp and centered. When your image lives inside a strip or a section, often used for banners or full-width areas, Wix provides display controls designed for containers. Click the section or strip that holds the image to reveal its settings. Here, the scale to fit and scale to fill options determine how the picture behaves inside the container. Scale to fit keeps the entire image visible and may leave empty space at the sides if the aspect ratios don't match. Scale to fill covers the whole container edge to edge, which can crop some edges to maintain proportion. Choose the behavior that best suits your layout and composition, especially for wide hero areas or tall mobile sections. Using these tools, simple resizing, careful cropping, and the container scaling options, you can make any image sit neatly in your design and look consistent across your site.